Today, I'll show you how to set up and start using the Wiki feature on GitHub. Whether you're documenting your project or collaborating with others, GitHub Wikis are an excellent way to keep everything organized and accessible. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to your repository on github.com. If you're not already there, simply go to the GitHub website and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, find the repository where you want to create a wiki. You'll see a list of your repositories on your dashboard, or you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. Once you've opened your repository, direct your attention to the top horizontal menu bar. Here, you'll find several tabs, such as Code, Issues, and Pull Requests. What we're interested in is the Settings tab, which is represented by a gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to the General Settings page by default. As you scroll down, you'll encounter various options and configurations available for your repository. What we're looking for is the Features section. This section controls several repository features, one of which is wikis. You'll see a checkbox labeled Wikis. To enable the Wiki feature, simply check this box. This action will activate the Wiki tab for your repository, making it visible and usable. With the Wiki feature now enabled, scroll back up to the top of your repository page. In the same horizontal menu bar where you found the Settings tab, you should now notice a new tab labeled Wiki. Click on this Wiki tab to begin setting up your documentation space. Once you're on the Wiki page, you'll see a green button that says Create the First Page. Go ahead and click on this button to start your wiki. This is your opportunity to create the foundation of your documentation, which can be incredibly useful for guiding contributors and users alike. When you click this button, GitHub will automatically title your first page as Home. This home page serves as the main landing page or portal hub for anyone who opens your wiki. Think of it as the front page of a website. It's the first thing people will see, so it's a great place to provide an overview of your project, important links, or any other introductory information you think is necessary. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a wiki for your GitHub repository. You can now start adding more pages, organizing your documentation, and collaborating with others in a structured and efficient way. Remember, a well-maintained wiki can greatly enhance the collaborative efforts of any project by centralizing information and making it easily accessible to everyone involved. I hope you found this guide helpful and now feel confident to explore and utilize the wiki feature in GitHub. Happy documenting, and see you in the next tutorial.